Leave me alone. I want to go and vote. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 18th of March 2023, and in Nigeria we are having our gubernatorial and state house of assemblies elections. So that is where and what I am preparing for. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Ifoma and you're highly welcome. If you, and to my old subscribers, thank you so much guys for still sticking around. This is going to just be a short video of my voting experience today. So like I mentioned earlier, today we are having our gubernatorial and state house of assemblies election. You guys heard the gist from what happened the last time. We are praying for God's direction. We are praying for protection. The polling unit where I voted is actually peaceful. Okay, by this time last election for the presidential one, I was already there, but because I already know the place and I am ready to stay there and wait and defend and count my vote. So that's why I'm leaving like a bit late today. I think this is about 10. They should stop voting by 2:30. So it's 10 to 12 minutes work. So guys, let's go and vote. By the way, there's no need for plenty serere. I'm just going this way. Yeah, so catch you guys later. Yeah, surprisingly, not surprisingly, because it rained last night. The weather is cool. Yeah, so let's go. Finally arrived. My polling and the polling unit. Yeah, it's time to vote.
Have you been seeing that stuff online?
I think no, I didn't ask for a YouTube channel.
I think I need to know
channel. On YouTube.
I'm also a content creator.
Oh really?
What are the airports?
Hey, good morning. Welcome.
Thank you. Good morning.
Sure. Okay.
Stand. That is why you're here, to protect us. And you were here, they were just talking, threatening us, telling us, are we from, is this place Anambra? Waiting. What did he say?
So if they come to threaten us now, because don't say that they want to. You know, see what they talk.
Something very indespickable happened right now. So I've just voted, yeah, and we were sitting in like a bench, 3 women. The next thing, three guys just comes from nowhere and they are like, Shebi una don't vote. I didn't talk. The person that was sitting with me said, we voted. He said, if you voted, go home. What are you still waiting here for? The lady now said, it is our right to decide to stay or not stay. You understand? And actually, are we not supposed to wait and ensure that our votes are counted and even uploaded before leaving? So this guy goes and starts speaking their tribal language, Yoruba. The next thing he goes again and says, I know they hear what I be. Oh yeah, wait now, you go see what thing go come happen for you here. You think say this place na Anambra or Imo? So I don't know whether Anambra or Imo is written on my face, on any of the people the women that sat there, their faces. And this happened in front of my polling unit. Is actually very peaceful, and we are not plenty. This happened in front of a security, a policeman, in front of party agents. We were the only women rather there. So what does this tell you? For me, what I can deduce is that they are using intimidation. They're not even allowing people to record with their phones. So they are trying to intimidate people. There's also low turnout today. You understand? So guys, I'm heading home. They say wisdom is profitable to direct. I mean, I cannot die for any politician. I'm sorry. I've done my bit. I tried to complete it by standing to defend my vote. But since some people are bent on creating and causing havoc, that's their business. You understand? That's their business. And the funny thing is, as I was walking home, after they said that, like after we stayed and after some few minutes, they still came back again to say, by then we've stood up. They now came back to say, remove this bench, remove this bench. They were now asking, Shebi, you're still here. Whatever. I just told the other lady. The other lady was actually engaging them, talking. I said to her, there's no need to talk. Oh. Better go home. You understand? And she was even trying to call out the policeman to say, you're here and we are being threatened. And you're not doing anything about it. The guy did not say anything. No. On my way home, those 3 guys that were threatening us, like few meters away from my voting center, I saw them with security operatives. I don't want to believe that they are working hand in hand, because if it is, then we are finished in this country. It's sad, sha. That is it. Thank you so much, guys. That's my voting experience for today. They chased me away. They said I should go back to my house, that this place is not Anambra. So thanks so much, guys, for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.